everyone, welcome to YourPedia. Just be this side, your reasoning mentor. So today in this session we are going to cover very important topic of reasoning, that is sitting arrangement. But first let me tell you, Airport Authority of India announced 309 vacancies for ATC exam for all BSc and BTech students. So our batches started from 10th of April. You guys can join us. Okay. For more information, you can us and check out for more information. Okay, let's start. So, see, first, let me tell you one thing. This topic, sitting arrangement, is very important. Okay? See, in your previous year questions, there were 2 questions from sitting arrangement in every shift. So sitting arrangement is very important topic of reasoning. If you are preparing for any competitive exam, so sitting arrangement is very important. Chalo, let's start our session. See, we have 3 types of sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement, first circular sitting arrangement, then row and column sitting arrangement, then square sitting arrangement. See, circular and square means when the set of people are sitting around a circular table or maybe in a square shaped table. Okay, and in circular and square arrangement, concepts are same for circular and square, but concepts are little different. Okay, so in your PYQ, in every shift there were 2 questions from sitting arrangement, one from circular or square table and one from line. So today our topic is when all the people are sitting around a circular or square table. Okay, so let's start. So what is circular sitting arrangement? See, in circular sitting arrangement, some people are there. So this is a puzzle. Okay. So in the information given in the circular sitting arrangement, that means the information is mismatched. We have to match the information according to the given sitting arrangement. When all the people are sitting around a circular table, maybe they are facing inside the table or maybe they are facing outside the table. Okay, so maybe they are facing inside the table or maybe outside the table. या तो उनका face inside रहेगा या फिर outside रहेगा. Now most of 99% questions are from when all of them are facing inside the table. Okay, 99.9 questions, 9% questions when all of them are facing inside the table. Okay, so when all of them are facing inside the table, so always start your question from here only. This is your starting point. Always start. Why we have to start our question from here only? Because this person is facing north and this person is facing south, this person is facing east and this person is facing west. We all that we are facing north direction. So ये हमारी assumption है that we are facing north direction. If we are facing north direction, for example we are sitting here, so we all are facing north direction. So this is our right side na? So we are moving toward, if we are moving toward our right side, so that means we are moving in anti-clockwise direction. So this is our left side. If we are moving toward left side, that means we are moving in clockwise direction. Okay, so always start your question from here only, because this person, and if someone is sitting here, so left and right is same according to us. Okay, so there is no confusion in left and right. When we are talking about sitting arrangement na, when all of them are sitting around a circular table or square table, so left right information is very important. We have to start our question from here only. Information in which we are talking about left and right, because this is a definite information. Got my point? So this is a definite information. See, in circular or square, when they all facing in inside the circle or outside the circle. So left right information is very important. So this is a definite information from where we can start a question. Okay. Okay. So in sitting arrangement, because we have to start our question with definite information only. Okay, what is the meaning of definite information? For example, information related to left and right, that is a definite information. Information related to left and right, that is a definite information. Or what is the meaning of indefinite information here? For example, I am saying that A, first let me tell you what is definite. For example, I am saying that A is left of B. So we can start our question with this information because this is a definite information. A is sitting left of B. Okay, so this is definite information. We have to start our question with this type of information. So what is our indefinite information? If I am saying that A is next to B, that means A and B are sitting together, but we don't know that A is left of B or right of B. So this is indefinite information. And if A is between B and C, this is also indefinite information because A is sitting between B and C, but we don't know the position of B and C. Maybe B is right of A or maybe B is left of A. Okay, got it? So always start your question with definite information. And one more line, if I am saying that A is not a neighbor of B. This is also indefinite information. In this line, he is saying that A is not a neighbor of B. That means A and B are not sitting together. So always start your question with definite information. This is a trick to solve sitting arrangement question fastly. Sure. Now let's do one example. Saying that A, B, C, D, all of them are facing inside the circle or sitting around a circle. If this is not given, that facing toward which direction, so always assume that all of them are facing inside the circle. So A, B, C, D, all of them are facing inside the circle. A is left of B, but second right of C. Now, 4 people are there sitting around a circular table facing inside the center. He is saying that A is left of B. A is left of B. That means we can start our question with this line only. A is left of B. So B is sitting here. So left of B means this is a left side, this is a right side. So left means clockwise direction, right means anti-clockwise direction. So A is left of B, that means A is sitting left of B. Left of B means immediate left of B. Clear? Now, but means if but and is there, so we are talking about A only. If A is left of B but second right of C, see, if A is second right of C, that means C is second left of A. Okay, so if A is sitting there, so that means C is second left of A, because A is second right of C. So A is second right of C, that means C is second left of A. Left like this clockwise direction, 1, 2. So C is there, so we are left with one person, that is D. So this is our final arrangement. So what is the meaning of and but? If in this line and but is there, so we are talking about first person. That means we are talking about A. one more example. Who is second right of C? Who is second right of C? So 4 people are there, A, B, C, D, sitting around a circular table facing inside the center. Now A is left of B, so we can start our question from here only. That means B is sitting here, A is left of B. Who means we are talking about B. Who is second right of C? If B is right of C, that means C is second left of B. So if C is left of B, 1, 2, that means C is sitting here. So we are left with one person, that is D. So if and but is there in the question, we are talking about the first person. For example, A something B. So here we are talking about A. If A something B, who and which is there, so we are talking about the immediate person. That means we are talking about B here. Okay, clear? Sitting arrangement is very important and very easy topic. If we start our question with the definite information, so we can solve with this. Okay, chalo, let's start solve some questions. शुरू करते हैं. So in this session we are also going to cover some PYQs of sitting arrangement. P, Q, R, S, T are sitting, 5 people are sitting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people are sitting around a circular table. So in this line, this is not given that in which direction all of them are facing. So let's assume all of them are facing inside the circle. R is second to, R is right of P, not second, R is right of P. So this is a definite. We can start our question from this line. So R is right of P. If P is sitting here, R is right of P. Right means immediate right of P. And is there, so we are talking about R. If R is immediate right of P, is second left of S. If R is second left of S, S is second right of R. So right anti-clockwise direction, 1, 2. So S is sitting here. T is not between P and S. So there is one person sitting between P and S, that is not T. So that means T is sitting here. Who is, so we are left with only one person, that is Q. So Q is here. So who is second to the left of R? In this question we have to find which person is second to the left of R. So second to the left of R, 1, 2, that is Q. So answer of this one is Q is second to the left of R. Clear? Next question. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 people are there sitting around a circular table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are there sitting around a circular table. Not given that all, so let's assume all of them are facing inside the circle. D is not a neighbor of C and E. So we cannot start our question with this line because this is not a definite information, student. He is saying that D is not the neighbor of C and E. In this line, he is saying that D ना तो C का neighbor है ना ही E का neighbor है. So that means D is not sitting with C and E. Now A is neighbor of B and C. This is also not a definite information. That means if A is a neighbor of both B and C, that means A is sitting between B and C. Position of B and C, maybe B is right of A or maybe B is left of A. Now G, always find out a information in sitting arrangement questions. So what is definite information? When in the question he is talking about something left and right, that means if someone is left of B or left of C, so if in the question this is given that left and right, so that is a definite information. So always start your question with that information only. So G is second to the left of D. If D is sitting here, G is 1, 2. So G is second to the left of D, is neighbor of E and F. G is neighbor of E and F. Now in the first line he is saying that D is not neighbor of E and C. So E is not here and C is not here because D is not neighbor of C and E. Now G is neighbor of both E and F. So F is here because G is neighbor of both E and F, and E is not a neighbor of D. Now A is between B and C. So A is between B and C. So B is here because C is not a neighbor of D. So we are left with one person, that is C. So this is our final arrangement. First start your question with this line, D who is second to the left, G who is second to the left of D. This is information. You can start with this line only. Now what is the position of C? What is the position second to the left of B? So left of B, clockwise direction, 1, 2, no. Second to the left of B is F. Third to the right of F, B is position, 1, 2, no. B, third to the right of F, 1, 2, 3, no. A is third to the right of F. To the immediate left of A, see, this is our right and this is our left. C is immediate left of C. This is our left and this is our right. So C is immediate right of A, not left of A. First, let me check the options again. Second to the left of B, who is C? C is second to the right of B. Third to the right of F. 1, 2, 3, no. To the immediate left of A, no. To the immediate right of A, not the left of A, right, like this. Okay, right means anti-clockwise direction, so right. C is immediate right of A. With one option, that is none of these, so this is our answer. One is none of. A, B, C, D, E, F, G are sitting in a circle facing at the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 people are there sitting in a circle facing at the center, given that all of them are facing inside the circle. E is neighbor of A and D. Okay, so this is not a definite information. E is neighbor of both A and D, but we don't know the position of A and D in this line. Now G is not between F and C. This is also not information. G is not between F and C. So F is to the immediate right of A. See, right of A. So if something is related to right and left, that is a definite information. So A is sitting here, F is to the immediate right of A. C side second to the left of D. So we don't know the position of C and D. Okay, let's read the question. A is neighbor of, E is neighbor of both A and D. So E is neighbor of both A and D. G is not sitting between F and C. So there is one person between F and C, that is not G. That means G is here. And C is second to the left of D. 1, 2, yes, C is second to the left of D. So we are left with only one person, I think so, that is B. So B is here. Which of the following pair of persons sitting adjacent to each other? Adjacent means next to each other or neighbors. Okay, neighbor or next to each other. BA, no. CB, yes. C and B sitting next to each other. DA, no. GF, EF, no. So answer of this one is CB. B sent to E. Okay. Sure. Now, so This question is from ATC December 2023 exam. So there were, I told you, there were 2 questions, one from circular or square table and one from linear arrangement. So today our topic is when all of them are sitting around a, maybe the shape of a table may be circular or square. So this question is from December 2023 ATC exam. Okay, 5 persons A, B, C, D and E sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people are there. Only one person is sitting between C and D. Okay, this is not a definite information, but this is given that there is one person between C and D. B is second to the left of D. Okay, see, B is sitting second to the left of D. 1, 2. So B is here, and there is one person between C and D. So if D is there, obviously C is there, because one person between C and D, because then C should be second to the right of D, because one person is there between D and C. A is second to the right of E. So second to the right of E. So this is the right side, that means anti-clockwise direction. So A is sitting second to the right of E. If E is there, A is second. 1, 2. So A is second to the right of E. Who is sitting to the immediate left of E? Immediate left of E, that is B. Left, this side. So immediate left of B, E is B. So answer of this question is B. Clear everyone? This question is from December 2023, maybe afternoon shift. Let's see, 8 friends. ST, so 8 friends are there. See, sitting arrangement is very important in every exam. If you are preparing for ATC or any exam, sitting arrangement is very important. This is one of the most important topics of reasoning. Okay. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z are sitting around a square table. Sorry. So this question of a table is square. So shape of a table is square. So let's draw square table. All of them are sitting around the square table. They sit in such a way that 4 of them sit at the 4 corners of the square. Always read the question carefully, student. First read the question carefully, then start solving these type of questions, because this question is from sitting arrangement, and in sitting arrangement the information is given in 2 form, definite and indefinite. First read the question carefully. Now, corners of a square, while 4 sit in the middle of each of the 4 sides. Only Z sits between S and X. This is not a definite information. So in this line we don't know that S is left of Z or right of Z. Now S sits in the middle of one of the sides. So S sits in the middle of one of the sides. This is definite information. B sits, now if S is in the middle of one of the sides, so Z is between S and X. So we can make 2 possibility, one inside the table and one outside the table. So if S is there, Z is sitting between S and X. So if S is there, Z is sitting between X and C. So in paper we don't have that much time to draw 2 square tables. So table only one possibility inside the table and one outside the table. B sits third to the right of X. So third to the right of 1, 2, 3. So B is there. If X is there, 1, 2, 3, B is there, third to the right of X. Both Y and Z are immediate neighbors of S. See, check the possibility. In this possibility, see, Z and V are immediate neighbors of X. Z and V are immediate neighbors of S. But in this line he is saying that y and z are immediate neighbors of S. So we are left with this possibility only. Outside possibility is wrong. So y is there. S is sitting between y and z. T second to the right of u. So T second to the right of u. Second to the right. So we are left with this position, this and this. T second to the right of u. If u is there, 1, 2, T should be there. No, S is already there. If u is there, 1, 2, T second to the right of u. So we are left with only one person, I think so, that is W. So W is here. Okay. So this is a right person. Only Z sits between S and X. So if S is there, Z is sitting between S and X according to the possibility inside the table. V is third to the right of X. 1, 2, 3. V is third to the right of X. Both Y and Z are neighbors of S. Y is here. Now T second to the left of, T second to the left of u. If u is there, T second to the left, not right. In this possibility, T is right of u. So he is saying that T second to the left of u, u is there, 1, 2, T second to the left of u. So we are left with only one person, that is W. So who is third to the left of X? X third left. 1, 2, 3, that is Y. So answer of this question is Y. Clear everyone? This question is very important. 8 boys, question from December 2023, ATC exam, evening shift. 8 boys A, B, C, D, E, F, G are sitting around a circular table facing center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Not necessarily in the same order. B is 4 to the right of H. H fourth right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth right. B is 4 to the right of H. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth right. Only 2 boys sits between B and F. If B is there, 1, 2, F can be here. If B is there, 1, 2, two possibilities for B and F, because see in this line he says that only 2 boys sits between F and B, but in this case we don't know the right and left side of B or F. This is not given. F is sitting right of B or left of B. E second to the right of D. Now F is second to the right of C. If F is second to the right of C, that means C is second to the left of F. In this possibility, C is here. In this, C is here because F is second to the right of C. 1, 2, C right, anti-clockwise. Okay. And if F is sitting there, that means C is second to the left of F. C is an immediate neighbor of G. In this possibility, G is here. In this possibility, G is here. C is not immediate neighbor of B. In this possibility, C is immediate neighbor of B. Dekho, B and C are sitting together, so this is wrong. So inside possibility is right. Now, this is B, this is G, this is C, this is H and this is F. So we are left with 3 positions. E is second to the right of D. C is not an immediate neighbor of B, so E is second to the right of D. If D is there, 1 T, E should be here, no, because B is already there. If D is here, 1, 2, E is second to the right of D, so we are left with only one person, that is A. So this is our final arrangement. So 8 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. H is there, F is there, A is there, D is there, B is there, E is there, G is there and C is there. Which of the following statements is correct? A is an immediate neighbor of F. Yes, A and F are immediate. A is immediate right of F. Yes, A is immediate right of F. This is our right side. G is immediate left of C. Yes, G is immediate left of C. This is our left side. So both 1 and 2 statements are correct. So answer of both 1 and 2. Clear? Both 1 and 2. Now, July 2022 ATC SOM. Previous year question from July 2022. 6 children C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting around a circular bench. 6. Facing toward the center. C and F are sitting together, that means C and F both are neighbor, but this is not a definite information. We cannot start our question from this information. D is sitting immediately left of F. So this is clear that D is sitting immediately left of F and C is neighbor of F. Now we know the position of C also. Only G is sitting between C and H. There is one person sitting between C and H, that is G. So we are left with only one person, that is D, G, C, G, E. So E is it. So this is our final arrangement. Very easy question. E, H, G, C, F and D. All these questions are very easy. So try to start with definition only. Now, who is sitting between H and D? There is one person between H and D, that is E. So answer of this one is E. Clear? Question from July 2022. 6 colleagues, Vansh, Priya, Sam, Krish, Deepa and John are sitting around a circular table for lunch. Only 2 friends are sitting between Krish and Deepa. 6 colleagues, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 2 friends are sitting between Krish and Deepa. So this is a definite information, but we don't know that Krish is left of Deepa or Krish is right of Deepa. John and Sam are not neighbors of Krish. John and Sam are not neighbors of Krish. Sam is sitting to the left, immediately left of Deepa. So Deepa is sitting here. Sam is immediately left of Deepa and Priya is sitting immediately right of Krish. So Sam is sitting immediately left of Deepa and there are 2 persons between Krish and Deepa. 1, 2, 1, 2. So obviously Krish is there. So this is a definite information because 6 people are there, and if 2 are sitting between Krish and Deepa, that means from this side and this side Krish is opposite of Deepa. Priya is sitting immediately right of Krish. Krish right of Krish. This side anti-clockwise. So this is Priya, and we are left with John and Sam are not immediate neighbors of Krish. So Sam is here, John should not be here because John and Sam are not neighbors of Krish. So we are left with John, so John is here. So Vansh, so this is the final arrangement. Priya, Krish, Vansh, John, Deepa and Sam. So who is sitting to the left of Sam? Left of Sam is P, that is Priya. So answer of this one is Priya. Clear? From July 2022 ATC exam, 7 friends G, H, I, J, K and M, L and M are sitting around a circular table. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. J is sitting 4 to the left of G. G is 4th left. 1, 2, 3, 4. J is sitting 4 to the left of G. K is sitting immediately left of J. J is immediately left, that is K. K is sitting immediately left of J, and means we are talking about K, and immediately right of M. So M is here, K is immediately right of M and immediately left of J. L and G are neighbors of H. L and G are neighbors of H. H's neighbor L and G, that means H is sitting between L and G. Who is second to the left of M? Yes, H is second to the left of M. Who? That means we are talking about M. H. We are talking about H. H is second to the left of M. Now we are left with only one person, I is sitting here. Who is second to the left of K? Second to the left of K, 1, 2. So answer is G. Answer of this question is G. Clear everyone? This is our last question. So today in this session, we did 2022 ATC previous year sitting arrangement questions and 2023 previous year sitting arrangement, only circular sitting arrangement questions. So 7 persons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are sitting around a circle playing cards facing toward the center. C is sitting immediately left of G. G is immediately left, that is sitting immediately left of G, and D is sitting second to the left of C. C second left, 1, 2. D is sitting second to the left of C. B is sitting third to the right of A, and F is sitting second to the left of A. See, B is third right, 1, 2, 3, that is B, and F is second to the left of A, 1, 2, like this. Now, for example, if A is there, for example, say if A is there, 1, 2, 3, B should be here, but F, there is one person between F and A. So if A is there, F can be neighbor of A. So two possibilities are there for F, 1 and 2, but F should be second to the left of A. For example, if A is there, F is second to the left of A, yes, F is second to the left of, and B is third to the right of A, 1, 2, 3, B is third to the right of A. So this is our final arrangement. We are left with A, B, C, D, E. So E is here. Who is sitting third to the right of C? 1, 2, 3, that is E. So answer of this one is option D. So students, are sitting arrangement questions. These are our sitting arrangement questions. So sitting arrangement topic is very important and very easy. Okay, so with the help of some definite information, you can start your question. And today in this session we covered two papers, that is July 2022 and December 2023, only sitting arrangement question and only from circular or square table. Okay, so for more information you guys can contact us. For detail, please check our description. Thank you so much everyone.